Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I'm making a series of videos about the time I went to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 22 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Japan in 2012 and why I'm only sharing this now, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series, which is basically the introduction. So here is Japan. Here is Tokyo. Throughout this series, I'm reading the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. Samedi 18 août 2012. J'ai dormi jusqu'à 8 heures. Vers environ 10 heures, cou plus épaule droite, crack, mal, bloqué. Okay, so I remember that. What happened is I was lying down on my futon reading a map, I think. And then suddenly, I moved my neck, my head, to read the map. And just out of nowhere, it's something clacks. And I basically was blocked. Just lying on the futon, I could not move. I could not sit down or anything. So I was just blocked for a while. And I tried to relax and try to move just a little bit and so on. So I started to be a little bit better, but basically I was sort of off through the rest of the day and I didn't really do much that day. Lessive, lunch à 11h, d'environ 15h à 17h, balade le long de la rivière, 7-Eleven, Tobu store. So this is a closer look at Tokyo, and Kosuge is around there. So here we have Kosuge station, the house is somewhere there, and we are near the Arakawa river. So here right over the river we have the bridge with the train line. So as you can see around the river there are a lot of things happening. So we have a soccer field, we have some grounds, a baseball field. Alright, so today it's 3 p.m. and I'm just leaving the house because I've blocked my neck and my right shoulder this morning. It's better now, but it's hard to move, to lift things, or to move my head to the right. So this afternoon I'm going to stay quiet, to walk around in the area, to go near the river, and then I have to take some money at the ATM and do the groceries. So just a small afternoon. Alright, so now I'm crossing to go towards the river. Alright, big stairs. This is taking forever. I do remember I felt so bad too. Oh, nice. So, young kids probably playing baseball there, I think. Yeah, that looks like baseball. Very nice. Alright, so walking that way. Very nice view, around the river. It's so peaceful. Very nice. That is something. Alright. Okay, so less peaceful maybe. Very nice view again. I don't think that's Tokyo Tower. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so my bad. It's actually probably simply Tokyo Skytree, which is really big and really far away. So I thought it would be another tower, smaller but closer to the river. But it kind of looks like it's just Tokyo Skytree, very simply. Yep. Nice tree, nice tree. Nice clouds. So the 7-Eleven is here. So that is the 7-Eleven. Ooh, Bico. It's basically milk, I guess. Cicadas, you can hear the little, tiny little river ponds near the house. Just very cute. It's just in a little street in Kosuge, like a few streets away from the house. I would say peaceful, but the cicadas are quite noisy. Here you have some fish. Some turtles. And the Tobu store is right under Kosuge station. Tobu store, which is where I bought most of my groceries for the dinners in the evening. It's right there, right under the train lines, under the bridge there. Let's look at some photos of the inside. And that's the dinner that I bought probably at the Tobu store. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tiny little video. On that day I was like completely dead, I remember. I remember that I was also sort of scared because for a while I was like, I couldn't move. And it was like so warm, like most of the time I had to have the aircon on. And yeah, at that point it was off, so it was starting to get like warmer. I actually remember that, and I was like, oh shit. But yeah, despite feeling off, I just wanted to make the most of the day and just go for a nice little walk. This river was quite amazing. This river and the whole neighborhood didn't have really anything special, but it was still a very like quiet and peaceful place. So I tried to make the most of my day and explore a bit more the surroundings of the house. Right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!